Good morning and happy weekend. If you live in Canada, hopefully you're having a long weekend. It is the Monday. I didn't say good morning on Friday, but that's because I was super busy because I went to camp this weekend and it was so fun. Brett decided last minute that he did not want to come, so it was just me and the fam and it was so fun. Unfortunately, as much bad luck as I have, I forgot one very important thing before I left for the trip. That was my SD card. So I had 3 fully charged batteries. I had my camera, my straps, my tripod, literally everything, the GoPro. And I forgot the SD card for the camera. So everything I filmed or got to film this weekend at camp was on a GoPro. So I might just have like a montage of camp. And then today we'll see what happens. I don't know what we're gonna do today, but enjoy a camp montage. Bye.
Hi GoPro.
Hi GoPro.
Is there a microphone on it?
Yep.
We're at Camp Joe 2017.
Scary stories.
Ah, scary ghost stories.
I went to Michigan once.
I once went to Michigan when I was 5. This is me. That's Todd. He's a comedian. Go like his Facebook page.
Oh my god.
This is my
Like and
sister.
share.
She's alright. It's
And I'm the
April.
best.
You've met Biggie.
With my son.
He's
You wanna turn
adopted.
it off? I'll connect to it.
Oh, okay, bye. This is Jay.
We're at Camp Joe 2017. Camp Joe. We got the tortillas here. We got Jay here, who's a Sony. So he's in his native
Rex
land.
didn't come.
Gang signs.
He's in his native land right now.
Broke your gang signs.
We wouldn't have gotten out of a Quebec town if it wasn't for Jay because they were having transport races. But Jay talked to them in French and they said, okay, you can go, you go. And then Jay said, hello. We bring chocolate, chocolate, chocolate.
you're not. There's a way to like.
How the hell are you supposed to? Remember they have more. I know they can hear it. The sun. Oh my god. My god is the best. How are you supposed to do this? Remember that.
You gotta make grunting noises.
Yeah, you're in
April, you're making moose farts right now. Getting extremely rained out in our camping trip. It's kind of a bummer, but we're gonna play a game or something. Don't die. This is not my jacket. I had to borrow it because I left mine at home. But April's out here fishing and we're gonna go see. Holy fuck.
I know, but it's literally like warm.
The leg. The leg.
You want to see me cast and get a...
April, Jesus. Well, it wasn't that. It was the hook was like right here.
I was trying to do this. The other one's, oh no,
Look at how big this gap is for your minnows. Hello, minnows. Minu, minu, minu. April, what was your nickname for me for so many years?
Jasmine.
Hey.
My little Jasmine.
This is beautiful. Minu, minu. Oh my God, what a catch, April. Oh my God. Woo! We're out here in the wild trying to catch a dingo.
Crikey.
Crikey. Look at a big one.
She's reeling it in.
April, I don't think the minnow's deep enough for a fish to want it.
You know what? You're right.
Fucking hook.
That hooks like that, so we can just put it like this deep. Or that's, no, that's good there.
You put it on the weight?
No, no, but this, I had to move
Yeah,
this
put it up there.
Right here.
Yeah.
Professional.
Still no luck fishing. We're getting really close, but it's finally stopped raining. It's gorgeous now.
Did you say it's gorgeous now?
Yeah, but I'm just showing. Like, how did that change so quickly? Oh my God, April! April.
That was fun.
I feel bad. Piggy.
Wait, stop it.
Are you mesmerized? No. The dog's just looking the opposite way. Look at Tiki.
Yeah, spread your legs out so if you miss.
You gotta get a good
love tap?
the weight of it. The other one I was doing.
Don't do it like that. You gotta just smack it.
Okay,
It's a
put your
splitting
hands
act.
at the end of your axe, Vicky, and high in the air.
Split your feet apart so that if
Go
you
back,
miss, it goes
go
between
back,
your
Vicky.
legs.
Yep, there you go, girl. Get some weight to it. Yeah, woohoo! You can do it. Oh. Looks like that's steep.
There you go. Get a little piece of that
You
one.
can do it, Vicky. Yeah.
Hit it dead center. There you go.
Dog's ass ain't right there's a shaved top. Do you think it's gonna stay on fire?
It's gone.
Shit, 'cause it's fire.
Do it again.
No.
I want again.
It just doesn't last.
Do it again.
Well guys, that's another camping trip put into the books. 2017 was great. I can't wait to go back to camp, hopefully next year. I had so much fun. Thanks to all my family who came. I love you guys, and I hope you enjoy this vlog. We'll see you next time. Bye!